Basement wall problems usually come from water pressure building up around your house, so fixing drainage is key to keeping your foundation solid. Okay, so first off, make sure your gutters and downspouts are clean and working right, because if they overflow near your house, you're basically inviting water trouble. Next, connect downspouts to pipes that lead downhill away from your foundation. This helps move water far from your walls. Check how the ground slopes around your home. It should always slope away so water runs off, not toward your foundation. If you can't change the slope easily, try setting up some shallow rain gardens near the house to soak up water and let it drain away naturally. Also, don't forget about sump pumps. If you already have a drainage system, they should be maintained regularly to avoid failure. If you spot cracks or leaks in your basement walls, get a pro to check them out before things get worse. Keep an eye on the soil around your house too. Overly saturated soil means more pressure against your walls. Lastly, a few hours consulting a structural engineer can save you thousands by catching issues early and making sure your drainage setup actually works. One of the biggest mistakes people make with basement wall repairs is ignoring the cause of hydrostatic pressure. Just patching cracks won't fix the water problem and usually leads to repeat damage. Another common issue is poor gutter maintenance. Clogged or broken gutters dump water right next to your foundation, which really messes things up over time. The third big problem is bad grading. If the soil slopes toward your house instead of away, water pools around the foundation and forces its way in. Fix these by addressing drainage outside first, keeping gutters clean and downspouts extended, and reshaping soil around your home so it pushes water away, not toward your walls. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle foundation and drainage issues right. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people needing real help on their home projects, making sure everyone gets the job done well and on time.